On August 21, LGU Sports Fest at 7 p.m. and the Big Saga Night on August 22. Zumba at 4 p.m. 7 p.m. it's going to be the Death Match Night. On August 23, the Mandarin Planting LGU Sports Fest Artist Tournament. Lagato. That's by Tanon. On August 24, Artist Tournament, Iting Lacao and the Liga Night. With Basculano. On August 24, abangan niyo po yan. August 25, ang Dalaga ng Pagtao. Color, Father Rod. Ang araw ng kabataan. As well as SK Night. On August 26, Balik Panuwag. And August 31, Concierto Pasasalamat with Natural High. So there you go. Once again, happy Kanagumoy Festival. Mabuhay ang pakakali. Hey, amor! Woo! Viva la Mabuhay! Are you ready to party? Once again, happy Kanagumoy Festival, everybody! Woo! Get the party started! Maya-maya tayo po! Higit! AJ Kawais! and Fusion! Kumusta ang amoy? Ang amoy pulbura na ba? Woo! Everybody go! Woo! Go! Go everybody! Go everybody! Are you ready to party? Are you ready? Gusto natin magsayawan? Ano ba? Party today! Here we go! So ladies and gentlemen, dahil makipagsayawan at makipagkikiyugan. Woo! Congratulations! Local government here na makakayaan